Hey guys, we at Be Beautiful are here on a mission to spill the beans on our beauty secrets.
So a bunch of us from the BB Beauty Squad
have come together to share with you beauty tricks and tips we swear by.
Let's get started. Tell us that one thing that you learned from your mother or your grandmother.
My dadi used to try to tell me to put like haldi on my face and all of that. That just never worked out for me. But sleeping, eating and drinking right always worked out.
She taught me how to use blush as contour. So I think that's a trick I use till date. It's easiest. Take some blush, put on your cheek and just some, under the jawline or whatever, and I think it works amazingly well.
Using ghee as a lip moisturizer. So in case you're out of lip balm or lip gloss or whatever and your lips are a little chapped, you can actually put ghee on it and go to sleep, and by morning it's all going to be all brand new.
What does your morning and your night routine include?
सुबह कॉलेज, शाम को भी ब्यूटीफुल. टाइम ही कहाँ मिलता है. ना सुबह टेक केयर करो अपनी स्किन का, ना रात को कर पाओ.
Actually, it should include a lot of things. It doesn't include a lot of things and I'm not too proud about it.
So when I wake up, I usually wash my face with a mild cleanser and followed by moisturizer. Moisturizer is kind of a must.
Just be happy, yeah guys. If you're happy inside, you're beautiful on the outside.
My morning and night beauty routine is pretty basic. I stick to moisturizing my skin and using a good sunscreen in the morning.
If someday a pimple pops out, how do you deal with it?
OMG.
I deal with it by crying.
I personally really think that doing nothing always works.
I go about my day just as normally as I would otherwise. It's all about embracing your flaws.
That is my first reaction if a pimple pops out in the morning. But a very nice nuska for this is actually applying a little bit of, a skin cream or a soframycin on it and go to bed.
Any DIY trick that you have followed and have terribly failed in it, or has it worked wonders for you?
Yeah, I've tried one and it was a miserable fail. So I took coffee powder and mixed it with a little water and used it as a detanning mask, and don't ask how badly it ended. I was with a red face for almost 2 days.
I was asked to try the toothpaste on my pimples. I think it just aggravated it real bad.
Breaking news. Straightening iron के साथ आप hair curl करने की कोशिश करोगे तो आपके बाल जल जाएंगे. Yeah, there are a lot of videos that say नहीं आप straight iron से भी कर सकते हो. It is not true.
I think using cucumber under your eyes actually helps.
If you have like dandruff or something like that, get those mugs which you have a bath in, uske andar you fill it with like really cold water and you put a cap of apple cider vinegar and then you just apply it to your scalps of the hair and let it be, and it works.
How do you take care of your face after a night of partying?
Mostly I don't party a lot, but a little I do. So after I come from a party, I just wash my face and crash to bed.
Well, that depends if I know and I'm in my senses.
Please do not go to bed with your makeup on. कितना भी पी लिए हो.
If I've been a little too drunk, I make sure someone does it for me. But I cannot sleep without getting my makeup off.
One most important product that you have in your cupboard.
I think Vaseline is the product. I use Vaseline when I have dry skin. I use Vaseline when I just want to add some dewiness to my skin. It's like my go-to product. It's my savior.
My most favorite product is my lipstick. I do not step out without my lipstick.
My hand moisturizer, because I absolutely keep feeling the need to do it very often.
The most important product on my dressing table is my deodorant.
Any beauty secret that you would want to share with us?
The point is, it's a secret.
Nothing can be better than eating and sleeping well.
The perfect thing is to be beautiful inside, and so it kind of radiates outside. This is a very Miss India kind of thing that I've said, but I genuinely live by it.
My beauty secret? My beauty secret is watching all these PB videos. Never stop watching them.
If you did like our video, like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.